If you are seeing the message, you can only complete this action in Account Center on Facebook or Instagram. Don't worry, this is a common issue after Meta 2025 update. So in this video, I will show you the exact steps to fix it, whether you are on Android, iPhone, or using Facebook on desktop. Let's get started. Meta moved most profile settings like email, phone number, and passwords into something called Account Center. So anytime you try changing these from the old setting page, Facebook blocks it and force you to do it through Account Center instead. So on Facebook mobile, go to menu and settings and privacy, then settings and then Account Center. On Instagram, you need to go to profile, menu, settings, Account Center. Now try making the change directly inside Account Center. This alone fixes it for most people. If tapping go to Account Center, keep looping or nothing loads, do this. So first you need to update the Facebook or Instagram app, then clear the app cache or Android, or reinstall the app on iPhone. You can also try opening Facebook on desktop or in an incognito window. These refresh the login session and normally fix the redirect bug. If Facebook won't let you remove an old phone number or email, you need to go to Account Center, then personal detail and contact information. Add your new number or email, make it primary. Now remove the old one. This works because Facebook doesn't let you delete a primary contact until a new one is set. If you are trying to change your password but Facebook forces you to use Account Center, you need to go to Account Center, password and security, and change it here. If it still won't work, try from a device where you are already logged in or use desktop mode. If you have multiple Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp accounts connected, make sure all of them are properly added inside Account Center. Sometimes a missing connection prevents changes from being saved. As a last resort, you need to open Facebook and you need to go to menu and help and support and report a problem. Explain that Account Center won't complete the action and mention exactly what you are trying to change. So that is it for today's video. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix the you can only complete this action in Account Center error on Facebook or Instagram. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what issue you want to fix next.